In this problem, they want me to take the x revolutions per minute and change it to revolutions per second. So what you want to do is multiply this x revolutions per minute by some factor that the minutes will cancel and you'll be left with seconds. So minutes has to be in the numerator here to cancel with those. Now how many seconds in a minute? There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So now what I have is x revolutions per 60 seconds, or x over 60 revolutions per second. And I've lost the k somewhere. Where is that? Certain wheel turns a constant rate of x revolutions per minute. How many revolutions will the wheel make in k seconds? Oh, well, you need to take, here's the number of revolutions per second, and we just need to multiply that by 60. So you're going to get xk or kx over 60. So there's your answer, and that's revolutions per second.